Hello, my name is Charlene Rogers, and welcome to my CRED Portfolio Project. This is my CRED portfolio where you can look and see all my accomplishments, things I've done, my background, my assignments, educational background, employment history, honor society, honors and awards, resume and cover sheets, skills. As I move on in my career as a human resource specialist, I'll be able to add more skills and more assignments and projects and honors and things like that to my CRED portfolio. I really enjoy looking back at where I started and where I am now. I am excited to take you through my CRED portfolio. This is for my CAPS26 class. Because I did a voiceover for my articulation, worksheet, I won't talk through that. I'll just let my voiceover do what it do. Thank you. This is the link that I uploaded to YouTube, and this is my articulation sheet, and it goes over everything that I pretty much completed in this course, and also institutional outcomes that were met during the 2-year course at Bryan and Stratton College. Hello, my name is Charlie. With labor laws, knowing what can and cannot. Where I learned about different differences between management and leadership. Next course, human resource. about communities, cultures, and differences. Next course, Human Resources 205. Program Outcome. Evaluate the impact individual and group behavior has on an organization. Brief description. The impact. By doing research, lectures, including essays on leadership and professionalism. So I'll stop the video there and I'll go back to my cred. And as I just collapse this, capstones, just like you can go in here and actually look at my video, you can see the capstones, some of the assignments that I did and essays. It's the same with my assignments. Not all of my assignments, but some of the things that I had to do in the course of the 2 years, just things that I thought were important, and I wanted employers or people that were going to go on my cred to look me up. I wanted you to look at my educational background, my employment history. I'm currently at Harley-Davidson. I feel like after taking the 2-year degree course at Bryan and Stratton College, I am confident that I would do well as a human resource specialist. I feel that my knowledge, my skills, my behaviors as a professional are where they need to be. I'm always open for improvement. I'm going to keep studying hard. I want to go back to school to get my bachelor's so that at one point or at some point I can be a human resource manager. But in conclusion, thank you for taking this journey with me. I hope that my cred portfolio is easy to read and understand. I have different links where you can go in and just look through. Overall, I'm happy that I took this course. Thank you.